Jim and Janet are getting their RV ready for vacation. While they do want to get away from it all, they're also starting to think about adding internet at some time to stream favorite shows and to share memories with friends and family on social media. Jim knows he also wants the latest in TV antenna technology. Maybe TV now that doesn't break the bank, and internet later? Sounds like the perfect job for Winegard's AIR 360 Plus with Gateway Wi-Fi and 4G LTE Add-On. Easy to install, just pop off the old antenna and mount the AIR 360 Plus in the same spot. Then sit back and relax for beautiful high-definition viewing. AIR 360 Plus is equipped with a 360-degree HDTV antenna in a protected dome enclosure. It captures high-definition signals from farther away and from every direction. No aiming. AIR 360 Plus also includes a state-of-the-art low-noise amplifier to better receive HD and 4K TV signals. Best of all, Jim can add a Winegard Gateway router whenever his family's ready for a high-performance Wi-Fi connection and 4G LTE service, which was pretty much immediately. AIR 360 Plus paired with the Gateway allows for a stronger, more dependable connection, turning dead zones into entertainment zones, keeping everyone connected. To learn more, go to winegard.com/AIR360Plus.